This is Martin from Orion blinds, and this is how to fit a wooden Venetian blind. This is exactly how it should arrive at your house. Okay, this is for another window incident. I'll put that back down. This is the box of brackets that arrives in the box with your blinds. These are the brackets that fit on the outside of the blind and the centre of the blind. Also with your fitting box comes screws and drawer plugs. On this particular blind, this wooden blind, I've opted for extension brackets which clip onto the brackets like so. Put your wooden blind in there and you close that. Now the reason I've opted for these brackets, which are available on the website, is so it clears the handles. And with it being new plaster, I don't wish to do any drilling on there. So I'll go and get a fixing straight into the top. These are white brackets because it's a white wooden blind. Okay, I'm going to take this screw out of here first of all. I'm going to place this extension bracket as close to the corner as I possibly can. Stop now, I can feel the tension. Okay. This is a box what the blind goes in, so I'll place my screws over through there. It's a tricky one this, because it's a magnetic screwdriver. Straight into the extension bracket. Give it a good tight knit. Okay. Now you can see the brackets up there is close to the wall. The support is there. Just tighten that a touch. Okay. Both supports there for the centre and also another bracket at the other side. The fitting's now done, ready to install the blind. Now, the Velcro's already placed on the rail, but not on the pelmet that arrives with it, also a wooden pelmet. This lady who I'm fitting this for has opted for an alder wood Venetian blind, which is, I may say, looks a really nice blind. So I'm putting it, I've placed it through that one in the centre, slot it in nicely there. I'll now close these, you can hear them click, yeah. You close this one and the blind is safely up. Now, the head rail itself measures exactly 1 3/4 inches. Now you must know this, if you're measuring a bay window for example, you need to knock off 2 inches because you've also got your wooden pelmet that comes on here. And of course, if you're using your extension brackets, so with the extension brackets, this measures 3 3/4 inches with the pelmet on. So if you're measuring a bay window, for example, fitting a bay window, you'll need to know their measurements. So your head rail is 1 3/4 inches. Your bracket itself measures 3 1/2, bringing a total to 3 3/4 with the pelmet on. So that is what you would need to knock off if you was placing a rail at the side of it, for example. Okay. Now to place the pelmet on. Now, not that way around, okay. I've already put these are already on the rail itself, the Velcro. Now, this is extremely strong Velcro, so I suggest when you're putting your Velcro on, you place the pelmet at the side of it. You can see I'm just a little touch off there. It doesn't mind if you touch off. So you want the Velcro on there. That's going to fit nicely on there. Okay, just a bit of push there. You can put some tension on because your blind's on there with the bracket. That's fine. Okay, that's your pelmet on. Okay, we'll remove the tools from the windowsill. Release the blind, making sure it doesn't catch the keys in the handle. In fact, I should have taken them keys out. I'll let the lady of the house do that. I have to alter a few slats here, that's fine. Okay, this is your tilting mechanism for the blind, which tilts up and which tilts down. I'll leave it there. And this is your cord, which when I fit the blinds, I always explain to the customer, pull it up and you can lock it like so. Twist it to your left and then release it. If you don't mind me saying, that's a very nice wooden blind. Now our blinds do not warp incidentally, and they don't discolour. They're extremely good wood. This is a white blind, it's called alder wood, and I fitted this blind in 2 or 3 minutes, bearing in mind I did already have a couple of brackets up, so very simple to fit the blinds. However, if you do need any more advice, you can phone Orion Blinds on the helpline. The staff there, all experienced staff, and they've all been fitting blinds with me for well over 10 years. So you get a lot of good advice there. The measuring of the wooden blind, if you measure the recess from there to there, and from the top to the bottom, you can see I've got an extremely good fitting in there. Bearing in mind, if you knock about 1/4 of an inch off each side, on the measuring side, you'll find that when you're dropping it, it's not scraping on your sides. Okay, that's one blind complete. Thank you very much.